Rabbits are enchanting creatures that captivate with their unique traits. These small mammals are renowned for their agility, often seen leaping gracefully through meadows. With their adorable twitching noses and expressive ears, rabbits possess an undeniable charm. Their soft, furry coats come in a myriad of colors, adding to their visual appeal. What truly sets them apart is their remarkable ability to reproduce, as they are known for their prolific breeding habits. These herbivores are vital in ecosystems, serving as prey and plant seed dispersers. Their inherent cuteness, agility, and role in nature make them intriguing and endearing creatures.